In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all files from Bitbucket. We'll do this by deleting the entire repository in Bitbucket Cloud, which effectively removes every file in that project. Before we begin, a quick reminder: deleting a repository is permanent and can't be undone. If you simply want to clear files but keep the repo, you could remove them locally and push a commit, but in this walkthrough, we're deleting the repository itself. Make sure you have the right permissions and, if needed, create a backup first by cloning or exporting the repository. Start by opening bitbucket.org and signing in with your Atlassian account. On the login page, select the option to continue with Google if your account is linked to Google, then choose your Google account and complete any prompts such as multi-factor authentication. If you normally sign in another way, that's fine too. The goal is to get into your Bitbucket workspace. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and open Repositories. This shows the list of repositories you can access within your workspace. Take a moment here to confirm you're in the correct workspace and that you've identified the exact repository you intend to remove. Accidental deletions are hard to recover from. When you're sure, click the repository to open it. Inside the repository, look to the left sidebar and select Repository Settings. This is where all administrative options live. Under the General section, open Repository Details. You'll find controls related to the repository's name, description, access, and management. From here, choose Manage Repository to access the actions that affect the entire project. On the Manage Repository page, locate the Delete Repository option. Clicking this will bring up a confirmation dialog. Read the warning carefully. Bitbucket may require you to confirm by typing the repository name or acknowledging the consequences. This step helps prevent unintended deletions. When you're absolutely sure, click Delete to finalize. Give Bitbucket a moment to process the change. Afterward, return to your repositories list and refresh. The deleted repository should no longer appear. If you don't see the delete option, you likely lack admin rights, so you'll need to contact a workspace admin. Also note that deleting a repository removes its code, issues, pull requests, and settings in that project within your workspace. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a Bitbucket repository, removing all files in the process. If you need to start fresh, you can now create a new repository in the same workspace. Thanks for watching, and remember to double check before deleting to keep your projects safe.